Let's start with turn to. This is a phrasal verb that means to ask someone or something for help or support, especially when you're in a difficult situation. In the story, Rachel turned to artificial intelligence because she didn't know what gift to buy. She needed help, so she asked an AI chatbot. Here's how you can use it in daily life. Imagine you're stressed at work and you don't know how to solve a problem. You might say, I turn to my colleague for advice. Or if you're feeling sad and you need comfort, you could say, I turned to my best friend when I was feeling down. The structure is simple. Turn to someone or something for help or advice or support. Now, here's a little task for you. Think about a time when you needed help recently. Who or what did you turn to? Was it a friend? A family member? Google? Maybe even an AI tool like ChatGPT? Think about it, and if you want, share your example in the comments later. Ready for the next one? Next up is scramble. This verb means to do something quickly and often in a disorganized way because you're in a rush or under pressure. In the news, the article said businesses are scrambling to make the most of AI channels. They're rushing to partner with AI companies because they're worried about losing customers. Here's a daily life example. Imagine you wake up late for work. You might say, I scrambled to get dressed and catch the bus. Or if you're a student and you forgot about a deadline, you could say, I scrambled to finish my assignment before midnight. Scramble often comes with a sense of panic or urgency. It's not calm or organized, it's fast and a bit messy. Think about this. Have you ever scrambled to do something? Maybe you scrambled to pack your suitcase before a trip, or scrambled to cook dinner when guests arrived unexpectedly. There are so many situations where you can use this word. You'll like the next one even more.